using your own attachments and making you face your attachments and fears after years of training. And when the Lama presents you something and makes you face it, do you run? And do you reject? Or do you accept? After the Lama has shown you kindness for many years, teachings, love, help, and finally when the Lama makes you face yourself, do you run? And if you run, are you running from the Lama? And what will be your result? And how much time do you have left to run? Very simple. For senior students, they should reach a level of no doubt in their Lama in their mind at all. For senior students 5 years and above, already a level of no doubt in their Lama. Speak no doubt about your Lama. Never joke about your Lama. Never even infer or never make comments about your Lama in any way, shape, or form to yourself and others. You should reach that level already. I have. Students who are with Lamas 5 years and above. You should never comment about your Lama, never think negative things, never check, never always find fault anymore. And whatever the Lama tells you to do, after 5 years, that's enough checking, because life is short. The Lama is not going to live forever. Neither are you. Whatever the Lama tells you to do, no matter how difficult, do it. Do it. And do it. If you've been with the Lama for more than 5 years, no more questions. Before that, you can question all you want, as he's been questioned hundreds of times by hundreds of people. Some stay, some go, some come back, some regret, some don't. You think about that. If you don't, then what's the example you set for yourself, the people watching you, and how do you want to influence others? Everything you can get everywhere, you can get within the Dharma now, within our organization. Everything. And it will continue to grow. Why? Because I will not give up. I will not give up. So therefore, commit and let the Lama make you face your most difficult fears and overcome. Overcome. And get ready for real practice. Preparatory practice is over. Anybody over 5 years should have perfect conduct with their Lama, perfect facial expression, perfect body action, perfect manners, perfect speech, no doubt, not joking about the Lama in front or after. Never even call the Lama by even short-term names or nicknames in any way, shape, or form, because the message you send to new people is negative. In fact, there was a nun, whenever she mentioned her Lama's name, Lama Tsongkhapa's name, whenever people even asked the question, where does Lama Tsongkhapa live? She would immediately run to the well, get water, rinse her mouth, light incense, and then say, my Lord, Lama Tsongkhapa lives up that way, make a left or whatever. Why? Even the air that her Lama's name passes through must be clean, and the mouth and the incense. To show that respect, she became highly attained. And when we address our Lama, we should address our Lama, as it says in the 50 verses of Guru Devotion, with some sort of honorific title, His Presence, His Holiness, His Eminence, Rinpoche. Something, why? That will be the faith you instill in other people. That's what it says in 50 verses of Guru Devotion. That's why even when some of my students refer to Kyabje Ling Rinpoche or Kyabje Trijang Rinpoche, I will never just say Trijang Rinpoche. Very rare. Why? I will take the time to type out. I will take the time to say. Why? It's my awareness. It's my effort. I make effort toward everything else. Why not toward my Lamas? Even their name. That will be the effect we have on others. And it will open up imprints within us. Respect is not face. Respect is to open one's positive imprints from previous lives. That's what respect is for. The ultimate respect is to do what your Lama has said, even at the cost of your life, after you have accepted him as your Guru, not before. So what more do we need to say for anything else? If we have that devotion, we will reach our goals. If we're not ready to face that, then get ready for the results of not facing that. Are we doing well already? If we're not doing well already, we're not going to do any better without. Think about that very carefully.